There was once a time when men, women, and children were torn away from their villages, their families, and even their names. They were sold not as human beings with dreams, but as objects, manipulated, beaten down, and treated as if their lives carried no meaning. They walked through towns as shadows, unrecognized, unwanted, and unseen. For them, it was as if existence itself was stolen. But history whispers to us a deeper truth. Even in chains, the human spirit never dies. Even in darkness, there is always a light waiting to rise. They may have been stripped of their freedom, yet inside their hearts, they carried something no one could take away: hope. They whispered stories of courage to their children. They sang songs of survival, and they reminded themselves that one day, the time would come when their voices would matter. And then, one day it did. The people of the town stood. They fought not only with weapons, but with unity, with courage, and with the unshakable belief that no one was born to be enslaved. They rose for freedom, and though the struggle was heavy, the chains finally fell. And when freedom came, it did not come for one, it came for all. From that day forward, the villages once broken by sorrow began to rebuild with joy. Families reunited, communities thrived, life returned with progress, and the people who had once been silenced became the keepers of wisdom, teaching the generations after them. Never forget the cost of freedom and never take it for granted. Their story is not just about the past, it's about you and me. Because in many ways, we all carry chains. They may not be of iron, but they are chains of fear, of doubt, of wasted time, of forgetting who we truly are. We are often manipulated by distractions, treated as outcasts in our own dreams, as if our worth doesn't matter. But just like those who came before us, freedom is possible. Freedom begins the moment you realize you are more than your circumstances. It begins the moment you fight for your voice, for your growth, and for the life you deserve. And when that freedom comes, just like it did for the people of those villages, your life becomes a light, not just for yourself, but for everyone around you. So let us learn from their story. Let us use our time wisely, honor the gift of life, and fight for what truly matters: peace, unity, love, and purpose. Because in the end, freedom is not only about breaking chains, it's about living fully, with gratitude, with courage, and with hope. Remember this: the chains may be heavy, but freedom is always at the end. Step into a powerful story of struggle, resilience, and hope. Freedom at the end takes you on a journey through the shadows of slavery, where entire villages were sold, manipulated, and treated as if they were invisible. Yet through unity and courage, freedom was won, and generations learned the timeless lesson that no chain, whether physical or within the mind, can hold the human spirit forever. This video isn't just history, it's a mirror for your own life. What chains are you ready to break? What freedom are you willing to fight for? Watch, reflect, and let these lessons inspire you to live with mindfulness, courage, and purpose. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring stories and life lessons that will help you grow, reflect, and transform.